If you have children and you're going through a separation, it's very important for you to keep in mind that you're going to have to co-parent with this other person, despite the anger and resentment you have for probably a very long time. If you have small children, it may be for another 10 or 15 years. So in this video, I'm going to discuss some tips on how to better your co-parenting relationship with the other parent. Some of the tips that I'm going to discuss, not just are they tips, but oftentimes they become standard court orders if you have a pending case for custody and visitation. The first one is, if you have a pending case for custody, do not discuss the case with the children. Don't let them read the paperwork. Don't talk about the next court hearing. Don't involve the children in the case. That's something that's very much admonished by the courts, is they don't want kids stressing out about what's going on in this case between mom and dad, or who am I going to be with. So do not discuss the case with the children. Secondly is, don't make disparaging or derogatory remarks about the other parent. What does that mean? Don't talk bad about them. Don't sit there and call them names in front of the kids. Don't allow third parties to call them names or berate them or say negative things about the other parent. Number three is, don't use the children as messengers. Don't have your children pass on messages to the other parent. That responsibility is on the parents. Communicate with each other. Don't use the children as messengers. That segues into number four. Have good communication with the other parent. Keep each other informed. If the child has a doctor's appointment, let them know. If the child has some extracurricular activities or a tournament for their soccer team that weekend, let the other parent know. It's very important to have this healthy communication, because then the kid will see, hey, my parents get along. We can do this without much issue. And then fifth and lastly, respect each other's custodial time. Respect their visitation time. If you have to be somewhere for an exchange location at a specific time, be there. Don't be late. If you have to return the child on a specific date, return the child on a specific date. Respect each other's schedule and each other's time. It's very important for the children to have their time with both parents if that's what the court order provides. Also, there may be times when you may not be able to make it on time, or you may be running late. Talk to each other. Let the other person know, hey, I'm running late, but I'll be there in 15 minutes. Very important to respect each other's time and maintain these channels of communication open. If you find this information useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and watch our next video here.